We know about marching. That's it. So I'll be coming, sir.
Me that's the same. What you name friend me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Before I beg queer, you know, when you be one best amount for tea.
Sure.
No one say
social man. I can fake Abrewa and
Exactly. Because we hardly see you in commercial on the media.
Yeah.
You didn't get into Akobasa because talking to most of the artists, it looks like the old, let me say, mature celebrities. I say. Someone in our house, your system now must slow down. I don't know, but before because of say your budget
Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
Good morning once again.
What about so I morning.
When you say your interview, we're supposed to have this interview
before the quarantine.
And then they're far.
Are
you that busy?
I'm quite busy doing my own stars, family. I'm quite busy. And I'm your mood swings into when I'm not in my element now. I don't like involving myself in certain things. I have to be in my spirit.
Okay.
Yes.
And by saying this, is it because of showbiz or a normal thing? That mood swing and those.
Some mood swings. The meeting I can say showbiz can.
Okay.
We say usually I young musicians. A man full boy and say sebe. Ya bodam kakra. And yet abodam say abodam, but I chedi ene edu. Ena sebe eba oso asa kom. And it depends on the time, the moment, the environment, the people around you. And only to me, my mood swings in a bar. And sometimes you need to be either by yourself or with people to be creative.
Okay.
It depends. Okay. But I have personally my mood swings problem. Sometimes I just want to be with myself by myself.
Okay.
Me here will be. It doesn't last maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, but that period me here will be our main chain. I just want to be by myself. And I think it does with creativity, it can be the pressure that comes with it.
Now, as a celebrity, your level, starting young to over 20 years.
Yeah.
Professional music, I mean, Oba, Limelight, and now your collaborations and all.
Yeah.
The response now when you're from the crowd.
Yeah.
Maybe I could fear the only to grab is like,
yeah.
Does it have effects on your thinking or the way you behave?
Not at all. Because me naturally me people's people.
Okay.
Or share my chassis with school me yet sports activity. Until obia we yes sports biano or for focus a teamwork.
Right.
Until me did more entertainment. Kakra me call SS me did entertainment ni more and I'm soon to your farm entertainment prefect.
Okay.
Until me no bia me chinipa me penny papa. And like I'm saying, you need people around you to be who you want to be, to go where you want to go. And back to your question, minti min kase ebia career na mana yesa minti min kanesa.
Maybe I go for it, me jump in can maybe busa, but as a woman doing dance hall, when you be hard growing up, you can't do it. How was it like?
It was difficult.
When you decided to do
it was difficult. Very difficult. Me a greenhorn, me 18 years. Me come school, me accountant. And to me the parents, and one on person moye. And Ghanaian parents, unye lawyer, unye doctor, unye engineer. Forget it. And be a piano basse on Cosa field, But Mr. Sonami watched a woman ubia uni me crown whom say I say me preme who and yum tumu asamu ekoneba. And when I realized I had the talent, I said me SS. But I me took a man for nyum. Aliyah, Edna Howard, Patra, Jamaica for style, not me to sanyum. But me do a tertiary, and I may bomb pay be say, or so far shemen come, se metonium, me yeni pakesie. But me I mean to mean tromenum, intina me yeni pakesieno, ediakohe. But after that prayer, trust me, it worked. Metihwa na say, I started say ba me trim. And the first music I wrote was Nuffman. Come say Nuffman, I worry about me later. Anytime we may pick up selector, but me tell them say it's so ital. Or me think and write and rhyme up. Well, Abrewa and I tell them I rap on the daily. It's 99. Into Sanyo na me de call pep producer. That time na Lord Kenya jina na so Swazi B. Why Krakumante, sleep music. Yeah. Enti me di penimfobi e di nkomo. No mo se me hia producer.
Yeah.
Producer no me check labels na wo ho na ye say Okrako kan ho bi, Bandex kan ho bi, omom kan ho bi. Sa anyom na me de komo Okrako ka say enyum we di Abrewa Ghana for monte ase.
Like language na.
Language no because it was in Patois.
Na who's you know?
Misiano school.
How? Well,
through books.
Oh, okay.
Na me wo namfo bi o mo call Infant Pim Boys Secondary School and Oga School. No mo ni baby o mo nya books no wo. It's no more bring me books I say opeso usua English
okay.
Past tense, present tense no.
Okay.
Nti ewo mu saa.
Okay.
Nti ho na mesua hwi efie.
Oh, I see.
And na me reggae dance no. Nti na mesua no saa pattern no. Nti me de koma ma ka say Ghana font ase nti me mfa mra fie no. Eno na me koye odofila ne warosh ne sikane ekone ba ne. But like I'm saying, it hasn't been easy as a female artist, you know, being in the industry. As at that time, no me I say men kwana na mieshe. Ana me didi VIP Lord Kenya, Obrafo, Reggie Rockstone, many obana me dom ntema na omukwa me kobi. So it was difficult.
But was there a point that you were intimidated somehow?
Yes. Miswa me mfisuswa me de any say minimum tro minimum to through Sasquad I would always big them up TH for Kwaja Sasquad omo no me co studio first water crowd and I me record omo nyum bi tuba
okay
until from there na me nya studio experience no na say me ho ba me ho so me ho how I record ukọ mic mu kotonyom into omo ban cry no omo koye sound splash e wo TV3 that time Gold Blast near Koneba and omo frame me say omo ban cry tacta party boys into me mra na me beto me de no ti me ba me beto me de no luckily for me na Bandex wo ho
okay
ukuta nashto wane Joe Fraser into after stage no so catch obi say why ne sister no akra no me hia no the next 2 days no or frame me call no office then me de sa enough money dem we
okay
e man no ono so say eno en enye brofo eno so e Jamaica kasa patwa Ghana font ya say reggae kura ye nso mu sa na abadanso te be ya fa brefie e na opia me ma e kan say Zab Mallet and you know sometimes you know backstage you know that time na hip hop gina so pa e ka say yo obi baggy jeans back no me to me vrem
feel any ball game
kakani you know and VIP mo omo no mani so tada eno omo nya bakofo omo nya miensa register ba boys di nechi obrafo so ba boy ba na me minim sa ti me kra me ma ofie na me bo me empire me kwa na me ba sometimes me manager kran di mechi Bandex di mechi nti me call backstage me te odin nti ne ma me nya nkran hye to me no ye edu me so no me be sign me say Abrewa edu so after we no una woko na me ye master to say ehye me say ade no me gidi say we artist bia so before you are called on no there's some tension be about so enti no me ho wo so kakra because minim how a crowd no be responded by your boy ladies and gentlemen welcome one Abrewa nana de na e bechi no eno na is saneme not just say me mic na I am myself but it was difficult back then backstage.
Well, have you been assaulted before by your colleagues?
I wouldn't say assaulted
by me mishandled.
No.
Okay.
Threatened no, but advances yes. From colleagues and presenters and DJs, and they're normal.
So you're bantering,
yes, but assaulted dear, Dabi. Maybe punipa nipa subume, and na. I'm
asking all this because on the BSA a my chance. So if you're a woman and you are in this industry, I believe say easy. Say them was a certain question.
It wasn't. I was lucky. Metimi akase. I was lucky. Papa.
Okay.
Papa. Baby amekubia na nipa sre eche me sebe baby am do any se menye konya tena se kra no etitiro for to me sorry say mama tena se enti na metimi akase omojeje me so me so.
So then who was your first producer?
My very first producer no metimi akase no in Nigeria ni a we fi Nigeria ba hustling men kind dimpo.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been so many years. I was 18 miswa nti adenta me area ho me presa na obi chair me say recording studio bi wo ho ena me ko remo we fi Nigeria ba no so industry no so or try
okay
ena or recorded saga mame in fact ono ye saga demo mame first
right
afterwards no so ohun Ghana sitena so to come back to Nigeria nti ma ye Lucy contact men kind din say and then no obi hu say menne Abrewa na nkebe me de so we reconnect.
Okay.
Yeah, and to meet me akasa no yeah my very first demo. And then afterwards Michia Bandex no on me koma Zab Mallet. And then DKB Studios discovered me.
Okay.
Yeah, and after me I made demo no nkra demo no. Nkra demo no. Bandex ne me koma Zab Mallet.
Okay.
And DKB before so discover me that is David Kwame Bolton Studios or discover me.
So far engineer Bena 1 in a year Juma.
Yeah.
We are so relaxed and what was it?
Zab Mallet and DKB.
Okay. Who were your competitors? Dancer. That's not bad.
Dancer. I had no competitor.
Memano.
I had no competitor. Cause metimi aka say Yogi Doggy Minua Makra. Yeah. And Ghana dance on it was Sonny Bali.
Yeah.
And PPA and then Yogi
Doggy.
PPA. But before Yogi came, I was. And Yogi Minua papa nyenchen.
Right.
Nti because I am Makra and yet disrespect say
exactly.
Makra sa but or ye metriba
in the business.
Yeah. And in real life. And you know, personally I had no competitors. Yeah, after Yogi Doggy, Sonny Ballet was Samini.
Yes, Samini. But then
and Madfish.
Wasn't quite also a bit of reggae.
Quite a artist be Hama Sebe Metenoswa. Ma sorry. He's different. Ye nya kwade saso krum habium. Enye dinin po but the lyrical content, the storyline.
Yeah.
Kwade was different. I say or kasa as or tonyensem as or raga.
Yeah.
Waho. And Kwade had it all. Kwade had it all. Now I'm saying me buy answer Kwade ba. Yeah, me buy answer Kwade but Kwade be told me. Enti no metimi aka say dance or no mentimi ka say more competitor. So ba Obama triple M by
triple M, yeah.
But omumfisusa. Since then I haven't really seen anybody I metimi aka say I've been wild, but I've had other people I may appreciate it.
Yeah.
Kakis, Mizufi and dance no. Yeah, I can say I appreciate them very, very much.
Hey, yeah. Okay, me producer surprise me opposite tie o sorry ma or comfort card na me say boss had.
Walk out the room, you're like a hard one. I'm the hero who take all your two put on the side. In the cemetery, really hard.
Now, when you put this up with Nana,
all the one here, I shout.
The more shit, producer, more shit.
When should I be boo? I'll tell you, matter what boo. No safety, come and turn off the mood. Hold on, man. Full of the cool, young cool, young when you loud about the fool. All of the man, the car, too. I said, man,
be me the palm on Bomame.
You want to
meaning title, I want to my I didn't say no. Passion Bomame.
This is Bust Up. Oh, Kung Fu called the Bust Up, yes. Okay, so now, has the media been fair to matured artists, those who have been in the industry for so many years? has the media been fair in terms of recognizing your works?
Honestly, being
in terms
truthful,
of percentage.
Percentage. I'm talking generally.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really think the media has been fair to ama industry no. Why? Because menim say enyoma sesa. Of course, time no you ton CDs, you ton cassettes, and the internet enyoma ba. But emroye so. I mean, there's nothing new under the sun. Me kwadwene me ho kakre. There's been female artists or mako, but none will be like Abrewa Nana. They will try, but none can be me. And then they share a man in more Ghana. Henina say, ye my one beat timpo, will be uncle training Yansan Fambra, will be at the Nedia Beba Kama, but made the media bar different and say, okay, we are school prefects. Ejumora. You know, and you know, ye share brea, ye mo binumu cry, me say I shouldn't you maybe because of baby I a foul and you mutumu.
Right.
And you know, say near na ye no, ye penny phone and tiasia near brea na and neno, a jinan and aso no matiasia. And kayakasi can come my was on my some preferences be advantage be. Se be ha ma wonye enne radio enti no ubehia enra ba radio a kwan a wo se ma wubirem na mpo ye ma hu se wonim papa we hwe ono na wagina ma na radio ba radio monnom maba munye bi but as a industry ne di na mafo ne chi and I don't see anything wow they doing and then it's about following the following e kasa meboa enti no obi a be roro ne ho a obi a be kan kwa asema no nya following the media thinks say that's the ish. What am I say?
Yeah, I do.
Yetimi wo bi nra no aba ye enyome bi na media ne so ni mu na ase aye attention no aswitch call wrong place. Eso bia na yes. Eso bia na we penny bi pa wa bobra e wo industry ni mu aboa manage na open mo bi na say ye mouse energy no by ye de ma another unnecessary vibe be it's eya yenum bi no ye di yawo men kasa ma men ko ame ho because ye hia mfikyire a ye didi ye ho ne ye ho nkomo girls di yawo boys di yawo but se anhwe yi a ho ebedu baby na ebe yense ye wo artist but na Ghana artist na ye nko baby a ne ebe ye ya omo didi no eno na omo hwe so e de ye ne omo de ye na started dance so can be say enough man our album e dance so ade am twi ne bem e dance so or ni na dance so by ye kan twi mu nti ne no so omo se patwa na emfa nya adwuma ye te patwa ne bro ye betim dia adwuma bro there's nothing new so ti ase enti me feel said they should give us a little bit of some respect and some preferences especially to the female artists and if film so kopem female artists no they enjoy whatever they have to enjoy but I feel say it's not enough eno na eno dwa ya or they call one ya I say enyoma pija na say temo no enye bibia she's talented she needs that attention she needs that push but say nyina akoye mema no meanwhile no she's very good enti or the common one mema no mo de omho ba ya nko be kike bi a kire omo pa enye say bia disrespect o but no dey pay se nipa behwe no enti no mesre media no omo hwe ye mpanifo no kakra especially man ye woman no.
And it looks like the media, this is my observation, I say they prefer to play the mature artists, they prefer to play your old songs than the new ones.
Yeah.
Why do you think it's so?
I don't know.
Because the new ones are not like the old ones?
I don't know. Me personally, I don't think so. Because metimi akasa me de nyomba miensa na ba in between 2015 and 2020. Say sa nyomne ba they compare near or more used to now. There's no difference. Mean to me who say I was there. But trust me, yakasa I wasn't down there. Me de no money no honey aba me de who I be aba ansana jade everywhere. Enti me so me feel say bia na me ya abro for 7 dodo. E bia na me ya patwa 7 dodo. Enti for now no nia ombeti afi me nchen bia na mesan de abafie. Yes, but apart from that no I think it's a growing up they are used to dadano.
Because sometimes because or the young for fraba, but you don't hear the song. Yes. It's because you guys don't do promotion.
No, I don't think so. Okay, personally, Mamin Kasa Mame ho. Honestly speaking, with this jar day everywhere I made the buy and was featuring ISM.
Okay.
I said me they tested the whole fan base.
Okay.
The industry not much weight, and met me I said 99%, my reme ho ewo promotion mo na me ase me de yard ahwe ase wo invest bibi na wo ye bia ba market na wahwe how e be ko wo mistakes sene e bia next time na wo se wo ye bi ka ho for market wise no. And I think I've learned a lot from this very one ni e be ba no me ho how e be ye me ho. Now, speaking for myself,
how well are you using the social media platforms?
Very well, but I believe you say when it comes to some of us now, apart from social media, and we have love in the land on like media. It's, we have to tap on old energy before social media comes to play. Me personally, that's how I believe.
Yeah, I was asking.
And yes, social media Abrewa if you know what I mean. I believe when I tap that fan base, that love back now, I better register on social media. What am I say? Yeah. Personally, me member social media and them.
Yeah, say the old school.
Yes.
Still crying.
Yes, and no crying. I say yeah.
The phone number
so it's like I've learned a lot, but like I'm saying, it's not all about social media.
Yeah.
It's about obi dowa and obi di wechi. And you have to tap on or donna a wofi, engineer ebe follow on social media.
Throughout your career, only presenters be any issue. Never. Producers, marketers,
never.
OBNCCU. In terms of Jumamu.
Minti kanasa because me kasana manke ya as my bunia, but in real life near the me biano edome.
Okay.
A mame yeding. And to me, advantage than disadvantage.
Okay.
Yes.
Why did you take that break?
Why did I take that break?
Yes.
I needed it. It got to a point like apart from traveling out, I do baby, me nipa, and I think it's with every artist. I got a bit discouraged. Okay. Especially me call idols West Africa me buy me hwɛ sɛ ne ɔmo yɛ adwuma no na me hwɛ sɛ ne a ɔmo treating wa ha na ɛyɛ ahomte me reho enoma.
That's the way I go who the way you treat artists
outside Ghana no na me buy ne sɛ me wom dada na me call ye ɛnyɛ sɛ me firi hɔ na ɛba nti me wom dada nti me kɔ hwɛ difference no me buy na ɛde ebufuo bi share makume mo say etuma ya say ya bregu wa say wo ase na nti e ma me ya bit discouraged. I won't lie to you. And me koba no na industry na se hu ne ho ye high life na ya to egu baby hip life na dey buy no so baby that almost a crank na ho so be kai sa era na almost a crank before their zone tone na say okay then let me just do other things.
Dear na who yenye
yempenumfo Nigeria for no nia yenye mpenna yentie na no no mo bon wo ho mo bon na club no mo bon live band wo mo night club o mo bo ampedumu ne sebe ye kasi e kan kodoni
the high lives no
mo bon mo intimidu wona me hu adwiri me because ha no radio so kro mo pe high life tie high life ase no omo na ewu mu adake mu o makofa aba but e ho no mo bon to say current esumo mo bo ntina ese wo hwe ba ye abreso dia na ese ye kra de ayirem ye nchine kra ntina ya homte. And then the human relationship no we be say customer care no na e ho no se no mo hwahwo mo artist ne communication no aha no na enkosa meeting intreche mo but
yesu anase yesu na mo na basa na the way we live our lives and the way we is it the envy, is it the jealousy thing, or I don't know where to place that.
So our question
also what on our buy now we are discouraged. So you can
I think it's a odo bia ye wo but yentimi danedi.
You pretend.
Yes. Eno na say this anyoma we nyina ba because sebe ha ma minimum me hu baby na mentimi amon sabrane na metwemu a obedi me ho ya say Abrewa no hu me no wetwemu yi enti no odo bi ni buo bi say eno kakra bi ne eto sini eno ne ba me gidi say bibia beda na kwan mu because sebe ye mpenimfo nkwa na ye presse na royalty so na hwan yo are dey ne odo ne ntiase bi na wo so mo de ye adwuma ho na eso yeso yen so ye de ahode ne nyansa eboa enti no eye communication
that idol judge ejina koye no unya connection why
it came to me I don't know how but obiam connecting me baby honestly nyame nim kwenin na me gina garage I met my first car my very first car me to nyuma me to it was an Opel Calibra na me gina garage me to me car me amisika
had earn money
me di ye me dio then I had a call from DSTV say Abrewa na wuni me say ai almost here our office e pese ni wudi nkomo so okay mpacho say me nye boni bia de almost say nye boni nti da ben no mo chem na me
that was which year.
It was in 2004. Yeah. Na me call office so no person mo chem say empenimfo mo di menim mpese me bodin na say me stupio below.
Okay.
Ba empenimfo mo di menim e wo radio mo ene nwum to mo no. E bia ba e ma ya yo mo interview. But ni omo hwehwe no wo mu nyae nti mentena se o meye me interview kakra. No mo di camera see me so nto mo bisa me anamaka. Na me de sorry
questions.
General question about the industry, about foreign artists. Like, as I go interview, you be a question now, crying and found. But I'm saying no more per body language, name, minimum, no yeah. And I me answer, and I'm cool fear. I'm saying some few days after, no more friend, say, okay, I have been chosen to represent blah blah blah, da 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 da. And I'm saying, okay, then it's an opportunity. To me, more, I'm a friend, my boss, catch and say, Menyasa akwenya way, and you know. Me breaki kakra na makudi say adwuma naba. So that was how it was.
It was for how long?
It was for 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Ufi on afi oba back now abembu said that.
Yeah, you may be nkoye. Me buy na me dey sisi me so buy with Samini Batman. Yeah, but like I'm saying na and you may be nkoye mame.
Have you been depressed before?
Yeah, very.
For the industry.
Yeah. Once in a while I get depressed. I get upset. Me bufi me ho say I didn't mind accounting on maybe Ankabana met office. I mean, me come in him, but actually, you know, like I'm saying, ISS of Foodie, you can't do without it. No matter how sometimes you feel say you want to give up on it, you know. As small die, and then family and friends and the fans they pressure you. And right now, on my coming out is for my fans. They make me feel say, okay, didn't wo and money wo but they need me. Abrewa na me na me omo shase or my famous style near corner. But me so me sure me wan ho den sebe nyame ache me nyam kakra. And then nyom over the years in crime recorded. Me and me see me boy from ho near corner back crime recorded almost every month. And you know, and you go until why don't I try and come back and please my fans? Yeah.
There's a question be at the BI busa then.
Yeah.
See industry. Yeah. It looks like Obia yet deal feels say Obetumaya survive.
I don't think so.
Because industry okay see there's no industry because they watch it. Ocean music issues so be brave. Ocean gambler issues and every years still there's a problem there.
But in your mind Sabe, Yabre me say because ka manya from me royalties from me decades of metonuma time. So what you say enti can papa mu anka sa royalties nkra na was say but say snete for sika na pension enti ka me mfa me nsan kampo na ye mfa ye nsan kampo na eda homa ye da ache. So what you say but the collective industry no omotia ye chichempo na padi nchiche. Whom you know chiche one te anko hwa say when you need you try more your hard no na your money be but it's not supposed to be like that. because me temenyum every day. Yeah. Kumasi, Accra. People call me from Takrade. Hey, see, I'm at Kemo. And the emphasis one person po. Na radio be bombing na menya. Yem fan tutu na yem fan mwabuano. Afidua Abrewa say na ebaye. Ye 10 cedi krana yem fan to me account mo. But enkosa entino we are all suffering. Forget it. Say hey social media, but you share no make you share back door.
I come the amount for power.
I'm for japa. And the right thing should be done because radio, TV, but enye enso ya hoden ya enkasa adwumakuo no entumi nyina. Untimi ma radio so mbekasa na sebe ommonyum kakra mfamfem. Enti no ye boa ye ho ne ye ho. Enti no metimi aka se ma me ntwa nkomo we so.
Because also nyi. Because on say alliance ya moye.
Yeah. And you be an ordinary adwene about there. But metimi aka se majority.
And are you guys going to counter the musicians and the gamros?
We are not countering. A teamwork.
Okay.
Baby, I'm motosi na mo feel say moon to me no. Let's share ideas. Yeah, be to me because entosi ya nka me gidisi ya ho beto yen. But the tosi wo baby. Ebi adwumakuo na mu na unity crane ho na because at first time and the last time I me call say me call Jimmy Sika. Sebe 80 Ghana.
Wow.
80 Ghana and do 20 pounds.
That was when?
Like 50 years ago.
Oh, that's not call Hatchet.
I mean, come on. And you can't be a pressure, almost about and is your right, and da. Me lawyer fair crime if you ask me text go no so coin and that's ask can crassa. So I really got upset. I got mad like and that's a man cranky. You know, but obviously say I am right. But I am right in this 80 Ghana no. I say, yeah, the but if they are going according to ya bonyomono, ya logging in, Takrade, Kumase, Sunyane, properly, definitely by the end of the year, no, ebe swe ni kakra. Oh, so that it wouldn't have to be say musicians are dying like puppets.
Yeah.
Oh, obi jina baby no ntia so beka say modi emusi so no man fa musika anya de papa e na ma but yes so bisa say na unya as an artist no e abrochi baby aka obenya obi obeye utia ma obenya obi obema mpabo ahye obenya obi obema atade ahye for free sponsorship aha no one we obi bia unika so kra de ne trotro na say taxi. You know, it's say na unya na udi siesie ho for public appearance no. Na say na ebusunya so na edin he no. Say na odi bema. How much can you save to invest?
Well, I was having back between artists be by having modin. Or say a man no your man 150 something.
Titisika.
In Ghana 150 something.
As in 15,000.
No, 150 Ghana cedi.
1,005.
In 1,005. We say about 80. And then maybe 150.
Okay, 1,050,000 Ghana. Okay.
But Oji check no. No fool say 1,000.
1,005.
It was share no 2 car one in the boy back who could do bank. Also the kid was once a risky. Always can 150 something.
Yeah.
No, so me could just can't use 150. I do you know they check the bar the boys say that could be the car can me.
Yeah.
Ain't
sad.
And yesterday to me no be didn't come about. You're talking about clothing lines.
Yeah.
And I was using myself an example. How much time? I shot way. Cameras are taking me. Problem.
Exactly.
You can't repeat.
Never.
I know some caution was on Kenya big deals. How? But I was a one as a person, you feel like Udi PA, Ubi Koshe interview us with share now because
and you one as a person or makika.
Yeah.
Obia ye be momo de asre no baby ye be momo de sre.
Na en mpobwa right.
En mpobwa.
Sare no.
Be ma bisu ye be no kra de nam satare na emi no na danfo bi wo bi. Ono so wo bi. We picture ne buy we picture buy no hu say oh the same thing.
Because laboro.
Well, and you know I say who they enfa ho but people are watching and they are thinking say oh enye fine. What shit we aba ne. Enye fine so be shaba watchna. And now they are called Adum TV. We be say they are called Angel TV.
Hey.
It goes on and on. E adwuma ne mra no.
You need money.
Yeah.
To run it.
Yeah.
We are part of Nyomana Ebu Abem. Now we can say Obayana Omara. We are part of it, right?
Oh, I could say it was part of it because Nyomana Nkoye, like I'm saying.
The output now.
Yeah, bro. We invest more. Obekwako yenyum ye beju sika kese papa
DJs so beju
DJs so ebeju ansa na eba video na nipa ko betwa video no obeju wachi we wie no wo de ko TV so a omososo ye beju ebia no wasesa sika we nyina no wentimi anton wo net no so wenya show ambo nya sasika ne baka yes washi sika be 50,000 to 1 million. When you are you going to be happy? You frustrate. Into the second one, what they buy, I said, if you have the same investment, and also show some bar, now for frustration, I started by after we are crowd be if you kruma.
Just be to coin.
Of course. And you are more well. What's not how we name go ase? Yeah, and yes, what baby I own baby or share. Or her silhouette is same crana, and you're quite to say payday.
Meaning artists be and now releasing you my bare hit.
Yeah.
But on your baby how who say on famra because or you used to say me try 1,000 CDs, me try 5,000 cassettes, or check his scanner, ubenya 50,000, 50,000 what take cassette film, or take DJ's player film, or tin in film ubenya 5,000.
Yeah, and then to me calculation, yeah.
And calculation,
yes.
But then the streams, it's kind of sana.
But it's not easy to be on the streams. And you
still have to pay.
You have to pay to be there.
And still pay certain people to push it for you.
Exactly. And you know, after paying to be there for a year or 2 years or 3 years, pay bloggers to push it.
Links.
And people don't go buy now. Waboka.
Then doing music now
it's very expensive. Billions of cities. Open year now person track Ghana so enough from enough from there are so many people out there, old new my I mean person me body as will be brand, but meaning boys are met me aka say no mu gino mo na so 2 years ago 3 years ago, but now on social media and nyata I didn't be sharing a picture okay, but inwardly no more bre. Because it be a video now already, only score the better so, and I can put the better video, and I will try or the atoso, but unya home for so. And you know what next? No, na edni na adani frustration.
DJs more artists more, na more money no more. DJs so okay no more say all praise at you also.
Exactly. Mu here more boy na more money no why. Especially a man.
The dusty.
Yeah. The dusty.
The dusty man who said this. Cause say am and no better also be an artist, major presenter.
Share.
And I'm so said
Eddie.
Also
me who say comment no baby.
Yeah.
E wo your platform bi or so. Em so ne obi ayen Kwame Eugene. Yeah. And na oka say amanfo e na paadogo. Paadogo ma comment business. So who say ne
that's what trouble na.
Yeah. It's not easy. Yeah man.
You feel for.
Yeah man.
KB Studios, what want them to say? Rush. Yes.
Oh yeah. I wanna make us say they discovered me.
Yeah.
David Kwame Bolton and Uncle Rush.
Yeah.
They discovered me and they've been very instrumental in my life, business wise, personally. Yes, I can say they are family. And I make an saga.
Okay.
Odofila. And you mean also DKB they mean a whole project.
Yeah.
But as we speak currently, no, me sign any more juma. So I'm call London for more than a decade. Yeah, I feel my couple of years ago. And they are working with a couple of artists. Me can be me know my young papa eba abonte Baku features Bright of Book fame. Baku so Samini ebeshe so together with I was so sad baby. I'm out for Perico. Yeah, and you know, I was baby together with other artists that men person me putting this year, but I'm still working.
Hi Hama, tell her I'm her biggest fan and admirer, Dr. Zeka.
Wow.
Zoo director. Yes.
Zoo ya day.
Zoo like Kumasi Zoo.
Oh okay.
Yeah, director no.
Oh okay.
Dr. Zeka.
Okay.
Also OTO. We're being no morning in answer.
Mommy. Mommy, who here pa? Wow.
If you just join us, this is Abrewa Anna Yenetchem Komono. Abrabo Munsama and Ekano. You sing, you rap.
Yeah.
Which one do you do best? Or
I dance all. Yeah, but like I'm saying, the hip life by if I say Reggie, they better 2 more ADH, you know, not Ghana for no. Like I'm saying, Omontiase, the Anka Gib Ghana, the Anki, by 99 2000.
Yeah.
But no Monte reggae, no dancehall, no, I say, and you know, it's okay, but you see dancehall general, no pattern, but ye becano, ye krum kasem.
Yeah.
Send ye see why. Metimi R&B sisi ametu no twi mu.
Yeah.
But na R&B nti yen say the baby fee me the twi no be dance no. But me general no party dance me rapid that.
Yeah.
Utie nwom no part na kona dance. Yeah.
When you're on stage performing.
Yeah.
And you have the crowd, you have the band, especially when you are doing the live band.
Yeah.
How do you entertain the crowd? Because your attention should be on the bandsman.
Yeah.
Same time.
Yeah.
Thinking about your lyrics.
Yeah, by acting.
And their reaction.
Yeah, I act because usually the emotions natural.
Yeah.
And you know, all trolling nyina na be studio akoto ni nyina no. Ade na dane say a story already. And you know, I act ma omo hwe me no. Obi wo ha no so kra no, o to nwum ni bi esi na sem bi so. Enti ono so de ni gena to nwum no de kasa. And you know, I just act, I sing, I make sure I move, communicate with the band, and that's it. Yeah, that's how it works. Because one yana sana tension be to me chill, not wow words in the crown or refi.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, once in a while, yeah. Yeah, you fumble. Especially a live band that ultimate my band in him say waiting but crowd and all. What style I'll switch it with sim. A timing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, compare those days when almost started, you know.
Yeah.
Also, go far.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go far, like villages, towns to perform.
Yeah.
What has changed? As lately, you don't see the guys going.
What has changed is the money. Yeah.
It's a trip, right?
Sikano, you can't pay me, I won't come to Tamale. You can't pay me, I won't come to Bogatanga. If you know what I mean. But you know, because of the passion we have, ne entiasiena yedema ejumane jinani intino. Sikano and sem fatayen krana, the fan base are waiting. Intino eni jena yedebe kwa perform ama fan base no. E kansa sikafiano ho a yakitu yakese mai. Are you getting me? Ejuma na yekoye no if yakuma mu na ye do na ye, the fans are waiting for us. Enti sikana promoter no odi tua ye no endru ye personality ne ya ho ode nkra na ye the fan base no odo no e ka ho a eboa, and to us no we're promoting ourselves.
There's one thing I also recognize. How do I even? Okay, me I hand Makobodi.
Yeah.
On me as an event organizer.
Yeah.
Me be a show, okay? Yeah. Stage, sounds, publicity.
Yeah.
Ebia me win ebia me invest ebia 1,000 cedis.
Yeah.
And I bibia.
Yeah.
Na say wo artist ni bia ka so beje me 800. Someone say you're not being fair.
Yeah.
Because me do 800 ma we are 200 no 80 mean to make up based on maybe the attendance.
Of course.
And sometimes is it because the event organizers don't make the money to meet the expectation of the artist, or what? Is it part of it or not intentionally?
It's to do with sponsorship, because the sponsors will more near artists pay and I believe said the sponsors and they are paying, and you can get any artist you want. So sponsors nimne wow who get the artists who would understand you to charge you that value, because artists in the ABD and you fee nyepe. It's what share wo budget no. Any artist na ebetimi aboa na show no ejina ne na so I'll bet was you go in for that artist, or else if you want to go in for niao fele say ebi ono no sika obeje ono the whole show package no eyo ono ni sika nti that way na say wa boka in advance. Nti na me gidi say ejina event organizers no so location no ene ekrobia so ne nipa kro mo penase me say time be ameka say me fan base ye compare Accra Kumase me fan base wa hapa, cause aha no ye chini han kurase tete no ye konkurase nkurase ntino ye fan base no wa ha And you know, it depends artist on artist on bill, your budget, your location, your venue, maybe a season, you know.
Now you're talking about sponsorship.
Yeah.
There's something else when I'm quiet about it.
Yeah.
And I thought some companies may fight it. It's about FDA.
Okay.
Now FDA, you can advertise alcoholic beverage between the hours of like I think 6 a.m. till 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m.
Okay. Musician
cannot endorse alcoholic beverage.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, those days they were the people who were paying. Why? Because every event you have people drinking.
Of course.
It is an emergency. Be a Adonko company.
Yeah.
Maybe Adonko air sponsor. Now we have Adonko energy drink. We have Adonko original Adonko. We have Adonko hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
So I guess Adonko and sponsor me show.
We show. Yeah.
They benefited them because ultimately advertising alongside the show during the day.
Yeah. It's unfortunate.
Intino say artists no. So how do we buy me? Who's will be a canwasem? Alliance no. This is something I think you should discuss it.
We are discussing it because what me say now me endorse Kasaprekwa Alombo.
Yeah.
Obeka them days many of Brafo. And metimi aka say enye sike bia de but a shame nyam e ma ye hu say okay yen so endorsement no yetimi ye bi. Aha and enye ye de ye ho koye company na ebe pray. And Timijidi say if we are having people like Kasaprekwa, like
those companies
20,000 of them to be sponsoring each artist, like so because at the end no
because seriously
I don't know why they took that decision.
And I know everybody is quiet.
I don't know why everybody is quiet.
And you see, apart from
because enye ensa ebrope no omoye doko eka ho enkra ensa but ni na ye beverage ni na ye ensa until they shouldn't prevent us say near ebro no because ebe Abrewa na nyame na me tu obi fo say onkono monsa even as at that time am ye sa advert no me sure say encourage obi say chinchine twam ma ye sa advert ni ntina me onkono monsa me am ye sa advert nkra ma no monsa ni bi nyame nim no kure ni so what I say manum insani bi and you know the fact say make us okay na bibidro mu ne ekone ba doesn't mean say no monsa chinchine twa menti kono bi
moderation
da bi enum pono be ya e wo say wunyine du abi in moderation exactly and
alliance for
we'll talk about it
say we event organizer now for sponsorship sponsor na air returns.
Yes, it's true.
It is almost 50,000 cedis.
Yeah.
Whereas for this event center na so be mount
triple it's true
because it's not just advertised because of advertise
it's true
time baby
it's true
it's I think say and also fan come where you endorsement
alliance for change
I'm a papa now the telecommunications they are not sponsoring event like before
at all.
Why? Because it looks like the networks know their market already. They know their numbers. So if network or Evans advert no the funny networks
of course
the
alliance for change
could take only
easy bay
Nigeria easy promotion
oh yeah I love you number one yeah beautiful song.
Also those is not yet live in Accra in Kumasi.
Yeah. Also Oyobia big up to Eze baby Oyobia Abrewa industry palma yen recognizing no one day puda sebe oho we fini kroma ba now to make it calm musicians no anushia Eddie Bush show that time Nisikao.
Yeah, I remember I made
yes sponsorship
or the Madfish.
Yes, VIP
or Chame Kwame.
Oh, met me I say Obia from the stage that.
Fox FM those days. So
met me I say Obia from the stage that. Oh yeah, but na abasobono Emma. Odu baby na oye discouraging na. Or jene no kakra. But sometimes it's like that. I think yes producers but producers no ekoton mobile phones and then also mugu to mobile phones na enim eye bibi na ma bibi bibi enye omo fault.
Who is your favorite dancehall artist in Jamaica?
In Jamaica.
Or the foreign? I mean
foreign.
From the also way I can feel Patra.
Akrabia ba me penasem pa coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, she's very good. Very, very. She's too good for her age. Very good, pa. And I respect Beanie Man, like always. Ponty Killer. Yeah.
Now, moving forward, what's the plan? The new tracks now, the ban of preparations.
Yeah. Say coronavirus, a man, your my style be crafting and your memo. Yeah, but I don't worry. Once I'm back. My fans are expecting more from me, and you know, like I'm saying, no money, no honey, no. Na me de shade, jade everywhere, and it was a good master pay. A video no, YouTube.
Yeah.
So far, no response, no, is not bad at all. And you know, me made other productions about. See, I'm saying I'm releasing it be free DKB Studios. Me know my come up and. I believe that from now to the ending of the year, whatever it is that I'll come out with, definitely will come out from DKB Studios. Not despite the fact that many other engineers yeah.
When was the last time you performing on stage outside Ghana?
Outside Ghana.
And how often do you get such gigs?
In a while, yeah. I was supposed to be in the US this May. Now, Mama may Achievers Award be US, but so
okay.
And now me will tour before London this year around September, October. Me nimo say the way she share hono a bit me a but into me and me did send me the single winning bar into December me am celebrate me home.
This coming December,
yeah.
To mark what?
To mark my 2 decades in the industry, yeah. In the industry, to play live from old to new to my fans, because penny for Pemasempa as well as the youth. Until me pese me pop dadano edi share for frodo edi amawomo.
I know you are back to do what you love to do.
Yeah.
Do you still regret being a musician?
No.
Say it's a album. And when you new,
me regretted that. I just get upset.
Okay.
Me bufu me ho say enka I was say you different. Be I amanonea enka system no has been put in place. Nobody can skip until opa umpo e kwan na onam and obi ansa beka ne de pepepe. Until no ehu bufu no na yeah, but naturally I don't regret.
So when was the last time the last money you collected? I'll feel say yes. On like shows.
That was this December. You play or La Meta.
Yeah.
I said that's my last pay from.
And the pay was good.
It was good, yeah.
It was
good. Oh, say a bad year yo. Edumana mama. But say a bad year send a papi monk every weekend there as an artist. Because say bibiba. O bow baby ukrum and I say will be krum. But amba weekly na amba bosome so and then wa uni me eko obi antimi nya show bosumi bia
no that was be 6 5 on there MC come on say
Kwame Edingra
ojira man share MC
na Kwame we oh is it
yeah
oh wow and then Chiakomano pa
yeah and tinam sembre no aswan
and tin pie the boss from now to end of the year and your my best situation a best sana at least obienya ne dey cause any competition me ni obi any competition me ni obiam prefer
before I sorry some there's one song I think Major Boy there was original
I think Sako the Saka Shatawale yes and no frame say remix
Major Boy
yes it's me corner according to the way Sako the Shatawale
Ujo Boy how is the feeling like?
Oh, it depends if so person would there, but we didn't know see a GPI and pool.
Now, Uja when just what you be there.
Uti vibe na. Now, oh boy, you could have ride in the hammer. You could have riding the hammer, me be my bed cheap magic.
Yes, what a man can do, one can do if you do it better. I
swear.
As one can do it.
Hammer.
Thanks so much for honoring my invitation.
Thank you so much for having me.
We're having fun here. And
it's been fun.
Before I continue, I'll catch us on Timani.
Yes.
And you are saying because I'm on for you.
Yes. Medanya me ase empose enemy yeti ha ye twetwe nkomo. Meda Santimaya se papa from the beginning of my career. I made them say my fan base ewa ha. Pa any time I ton cassette in the CDs, you know. You compare Accra, Ashanti region, the Kosunyane na hona me market no wa metimi hu se o matonyo no entimi minim se kumase fo de o makoma mu de Abrewa na me de mufo anti no my coming back no is not for any competition and abibi. I'm just here to contribute senior shasi no to aso my quota to it say being an international you do amano ne beka say okay we fi Ghana flag no high et omo vampire ball energy and time echi omo te se me de bibia baso so a omo nko net no so no omo kotobi enfamo me. Yeah.
It has to be by your request. I'm playing the song for you.
I just want to say big up to ISM too.
Okay.
And Nipakra or yes, Jade everywhere. Ivan Beat, Tano Chrome. I just want to say big up to them. DKB Studios, Amagidon, iMotions, and Pure FM. We're pure.